Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service reminder on a 2025 Volkswagen Taos. Alright, so from this screen here, you're going to want to come over to your selections here. I just changed the view to this view here. You can do it a couple different ways, but I find this is the easiest way to describe it. So change it to that view, and then you can just go down here until you get to distance and time. So you're going to be on distance and time there. Then you're going to select the over button there, press one time, and then you're going to press and hold this for about 5 to 10 seconds. All right, let go, and there you go right there. So then you'll come down to your oil change, press OK, OK again. That resets the oil change service. Then you're also going to want to reset the inspection service as well. So once that goes away, come down to reset inspection. Press OK. OK. And you're all reset there. Then you can just close. This brings you back to your regular screen there, and you can change the view back if you were on a different view. Alright, I want to thank you for watching this video today. I hope you have a great day.